You buy too many things and waste money.
These are necessary things. You should watch him, because I am busy now.
I am busy too.
Mom and Dad are too loud and annoying. I'm out of here. I feel happy and free when I walk alone. I just look for a moment and turn back. Wow, I see many fun toys here. Wow, look at that! Whoa! This is the best toy store ever! So many cool toys! The robots are moving and shining so cool! If I am alone, I can play everything I like. Mom and Dad are not here anymore.
You never help me carry anything.
You spend too much money on useless things.
Oh no, it looks like this place is about to close. I need to find my parents right now. They must be waiting for me.
The mall will close in a few minutes.
I am alone, and I do not know what to do. If no one is here, I can go back to the toy store. This is so fun. I can play anything I want. The store is closed, and it is very dark inside. I cannot play anything now. Where is Bob?
Where is our son?
You didn't keep an eye on him. I just want to find Mom and Dad now. I need to find Mom and Dad. Where are you? Why does no one answer me?
This is your fault. You were too busy shopping.
I told you to watch the boy.
I think I am lost. No. I have to think of something. Oh no, why is it out of battery now? I have to find a way. I see the exit. I can go outside. No, open the door. I want to go out. Someone help me. I am here.
What should we do now? Has Bob been kidnapped? We are so terrible.
Oh no.
There is no one here. Is anyone here? Who is behind me? I feel like someone is watching me. I need to run away now. Who are you? I am coming closer. It is just a mannequin.
Stop arguing. We need to find Bob right now.
How can I get out of here? I miss my mom and dad so much.
Bob, where are you?
Bob, where are you?
Please, let us in.
What should I do now? by itself. There is a ghost. I am very scared right now. It is too quiet here.
Bob!
Where are you?
Bob! Answer us!
Stay close, follow me.
Bob! Bob! Everything looks the same again. I do not know where I am now. This is not right.
I need to get out of here. If I break this, I can go outside. Oh no, what is happening? Help me!
Bob!
We need to find Bob now.
This is not good. I need to shut down the security system, or we will be locked in here tonight.
We have to get to Bob.
We will go find Bob.
Help me! Please help me!
Alarm off.
I am so scared right now. This place feels even more scary now. I do not want to stay here. I am so tired. Mom, Dad, please save me. I am sorry.
Oh, the poor boy is here. Let's go to him.
I'm sorry.
Hey, kid, are you okay?
Bob, we found you.
Bob, we are so sorry. We are terrible. We forgot you. I am sorry, Mom and Dad. I left without telling you.
Please remember to take good care of your child.
Family is not an obstacle, but a protection. Children need to appreciate their parents and not leave them.
Carelessness from adults can put children in dangerous situations. Therefore, always pay attention to your children.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to watch the next videos.